totally possible to become a data analyst from scratch in 90 days. Let me show you how. If you're new to my channel, my name is Avery Smith and I'm a data analytics career coach and I help people land their first data job. This is one of my students, Stephen Tran, who went through my bootcamp program. He was actually like an IT help desk guy that basically helped you start with PowerPoint or like make sure your computer's working, but didn't have any prior data analytics experience. This podcast interview, I go through his whole story with Stephen in this interview, but I'm going to summarize it as fast as I can right now. Here's what Stephen did well. Number one is he didn't learn everything. It is impossible to learn everything about data analytics in just 90 days. But here's the good news is you don't have to learn everything. There's actually a lot of stuff that you don't need to learn. For example, you don't have to learn Python. You don't have to learn R to land your first data job. So if you can shrink the number of things you have to learn to something a little bit more manageable, that's one of the things that's going to help you land a job in 90 days. The second thing that Stephen did really effectively that most people don't do is he used his network. If you can use your network to get your foot in the door, that's so impactful. You might be thinking, well, Avery, I don't know anyone. So LinkedIn is one of the best places where you can basically meet anyone in the world very quickly. You can send unlimited messages to a lot of different people and get on people's radar. Last thing that Stephen did really effectively to land his data job so quickly is he had a portfolio. Now, a portfolio is basically a website that hosts multiple projects that showcase your skills, right? A resume says that you can do SQL, says you can do Excel, says you can do Python, whatever. A portfolio shows it. Talk is cheap. You have to be showing your work. So is it easy? No. Is it possible? Yes. And that's why